Two styles, one wig. Yeah, go ahead and sign me up. Today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Unice or Unice hair, however you want to say it. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below, but we're going to get straight into this unit, okay? All right, I already see some tape right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and open it up. This is our 2-in-1 ByeBye Slip Wig. This is a water wave texture. It has a 13x4 parting space area, and it is 24 inches in length. But as you can see out of the box, you do get a straight look. This is what the lace area looks like. It already comes with your pre-plucked hairline. It also comes with your pre-cut lace, your pre-bleach knots. It has some tape on the side. You also get a comb on each side, no comb in the middle. You also get a comb in the nape area, your drawstring, and then you also get your ByeBye Slip Wig. What the lace is looking like against my skin, I feel like it doesn't look bad. I feel like it's blending pretty well. I am gonna, however, just add a little bit of my tint spray, but I'm not gonna chat about this too long. We're gonna go ahead and get to styling this beauty, and then of course I'll be back to tell you guys my final thoughts, and also so you can see the final looks when it comes to this 2-in-1 wig. 2 styles, 1 wig. Yeah, go ahead and sign me up. Y'all, this unit is super, super pretty. I love the straight look, but the water wave look is absolutely my fave. This is gorgeous, but we're gonna get into the install. We're gonna go by really quick. I used some Got2b spray, and I also added my tint spray before I installed it. I plucked out just a very few amount of hairs right here to open it up a little bit more. You don't have to, because I feel like it looks good, but it's totally up to you if you want to just be a little bit extra. You also see me trim down a little bit of lace on the side so it can sit above my ear. It is sitting above my ear perfectly now. You can see a little bit of my sideburns, and that's okay, because I kind of like to leave them out a little bit depending on the unit. Added a little bit of heat to straighten out the hair because it had been sitting in the box, and I feel like the straight look is really nice. If you want something simple and sleek, then you're good to go. I did not have to really put any heat at the top. One thing I like is that it's not a heavy density in the parting space area. And then I added a little bit of wax just to smooth everything out. I feel like it's a good density when it is straightened out. It's going to make a really good ponytail, so I don't feel like you have to worry about it looking too thin. So if you are a fan of the straight sleek look, you'll be happy with this spray bottle. And then I ended up wetting the hair down. Now I did have to go through the hair to make sure that it was coated properly with the spray, and I started to kind of scrunch it up a little bit, ran through it with my defining brush. I added some of my olive oil mousse, and I made sure to focus on the ends because I feel like the ends of this look very good. Okay, now it did take me some time to diffuse the hair down all the way because I wanted it to look nice and fluffy, and I am happy with the way it came out. I also used some Sleek and Shine serum when I began to fluff up the hair so that I didn't have to worry about frizziness and flyaways for a few days. But I love how defined the waves are. A little frizziness going on, not too much because I, done ran my fingers through it and everything. But this waterway look is my absolute fave. During the styling process, I did not get a lot of shedding with this unit. Tangles, I haven't been wearing it long enough to really discuss tangles, but because it is a water wave unit, I do expect some to happen in the nape area and maybe towards the ends. If you notice, I did not fluff this up as fluffy as it can go, because if you want a bigger look, you can definitely fluff it up more. But I like, for my waves to still look a little bit defined in the beginning, and then it'll get bigger over time. I really do like this, y'all. I am loving the way that this came out. The fit on this, I feel like it's a little bit big in the nape area. In this area, it is laying down very nice and flat. It's not going to move or anything. I just need to probably bobby pin the back down. But I feel like when I turn around, even with it straight, it didn't look big. So if you want one wig that's going to give you 2 looks, you definitely might want to check this out. I love the length of this because usually when it's water wave hair or curly unit, I don't mind a longer length, but super pretty. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I put some powder into the parting space area and just a little bit right here, and that's how everything is looking. The knots are really nice and small, and the parting space is nice and open. If you are feeling this water wave wig, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you all the next time. Bye y'all.